Happiness, it's what we're all searching for, isn't it? We want to feel that spark of joy, that sense of peace, that warmth in our hearts. But here's the truth, happiness isn't something you wait for. It's something you create. Happiness is a choice. Every single day, you have the power to choose happiness. It's not about having a perfect life. It's not about waiting for everything to fall into place. It's about finding joy in the present moment, right where you are. Think about it, life is happening right now, all around you. It's in the little things. The smile of a loved one, the warmth of the sun on your face, the laughter shared with friends. Happiness is not something that happens to you, it's something you cultivate. It's something you nurture by appreciating what you have, by choosing to see the good, by focusing on the beauty that surrounds you. Gratitude is the foundation of happiness. The first step to a happy life is simple: gratitude. When you focus on what you have, rather than what you lack, you begin to see how blessed you truly are. There's so much to be grateful for in this world, so much to appreciate. Start each day by reminding yourself of the good things in your life, no matter how small they may seem. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. When you choose gratitude, you invite happiness into your life. You shift your mindset from one of lack to one of abundance. You begin to see the opportunities, the blessings, the beauty that has always been there but was hidden beneath the weight of stress, negativity, and comparison. Happiness is not about waiting for the big moments. It's about embracing the small ones. The laughter of a child, the kindness of a stranger, the simple joy of a quiet morning. These are the moments that make life beautiful. And when you slow down long enough to appreciate them, you begin to realize that happiness has been there all along, it's just been waiting for you to notice. Living with intention. But happiness isn't just about gratitude, it's also about living with intention. It's about making choices that align with your values, your passions, and your desires. What brings you joy? What lights you up inside? It's time to start making decisions that honor the life you want to live. Stop living for others' expectations. Stop chasing things that don't fulfill you. True happiness comes when you live authentically, when you live for yourself, not for anyone else. It's about doing more of what makes you happy and less of what drains you. It's about choosing to be the best version of yourself, every single day. Happiness isn't about having it all, it's about appreciating what you have and making the most of it. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. It's about growth. It's about becoming a little better, a little kinder, a little more grateful every day. When you focus on what makes you happy, when you take time to care for yourself, to connect with others, and to do the things that bring you joy, that's when life becomes truly beautiful. Finding balance and joy. A happy life is a balanced life. It's about taking care of your body, your mind, and your spirit. It's about surrounding yourself with positivity. It's about letting go of the things that weigh you down, the negativity, the stress, the toxic relationships, and embracing the things that lift you up. You deserve to be happy. You deserve to live a life that brings you joy. But happiness doesn't just happen by accident. It takes effort. It takes intention. It takes a decision to choose happiness every single day. So how do you create a happy life? By focusing on the things that matter. By nurturing the relationships that fill your heart. By doing work that excites you. By taking care of your body, your mind, and your soul. By choosing gratitude, even in difficult times. By finding joy in the small moments and the big ones. Remember, happiness is not a destination, it's a journey. It's the way you live your life. It's the way you see the world around you. It's the way you choose to approach each new day with optimism and hope. Choosing happiness every day. No matter what life throws at you, no matter the challenges, the obstacles, or the setbacks, you always have a choice. You can choose happiness. You can choose to see the good. You can choose to smile, even when it's hard. You can choose to live in a way that brings you joy, peace, and fulfillment. This is your life. You only get one shot at it. Don't waste it waiting for happiness to find you, go out and create it. Find the things that light you up. Fill your days with laughter. Surround yourself with people who lift you higher. Take time to appreciate the beauty in the world, the love in your life, and the potential within yourself. A happy life is a life lived with purpose, with gratitude, with intention. It's a life where you embrace each moment, where you live in the present, and where you find joy in the journey. So today, and every day, make the choice, choose happiness. Choose joy. Choose to live a life that brings you fulfillment, peace, and love. Your happy life is waiting for you. Go live it.